Today I'm going to show you how to make these really simple like Christmas decoration style things. So you got to be careful when you make them because you can have them break like this one did. So just go careful to ensure that doesn't happen. I've made them out of a variety of scrap wood. All you're going to need for this is your template. You can literally print these off online. I just printed this pattern because I thought it looked quite nice. So all you need to do to start with, grab your wood, stick it on, grab a Sharpie, permanent marker, whatever you want. I'm just going to use a Sharpie, well, a fake Sharpie, which is running out at the moment, but that'll be fine. So yeah, also another thing, just put a little bit of sticky double-sided tape on the back. It just makes it easier for when you're tracing around. And then, well, let's just move this. Try and avoid these little bits of tear out. Doesn't need to be exact. So I'll probably drill the hole first, so then I don't waste time in case it breaks or something. We're using a 4.5mm drill bit to open up these holes. Okay, so we've drilled all the holes for the stars now. I think I've done 8. Yeah, so there's 8 stars here, all with a variety of woods. You can see there what kind of wood there is. So now we've come to this very tedious part, which is sanding. So basically, all you need to do is make sure you get all of the pen marks off, pencil, whatever you used, and just clean it up. It's pretty self-explanatory, to be honest, sanding. I'll use this again to point out. So I would sand along these grooves here and just make sure the points are nice and, well, pointy. Okay guys, so it turned out too wet and windy outside to carry on doing the star project outside, so I've moved inside to a nice white background, so it should be easy for you guys to see. All we're going to do now is literally put some bits of ribbon in. I've gone for gold, green and silver because that's what I had, but you can choose whatever you want. So all you need to do, get your piece of ribbon, unravel it. That's the only trouble with this ribbon, it wants to ravel up. I'm going to use this bit of Baltic birch plywood for an example. Getting through the holes is the difficult part. If you can do that, you're fine. I just usually pinch it and then try and push it in. And once it's through the other end, you should be alright, like that. And if you can, try and get it with the colour, like the shiny side of the ribbon upwards if you have 2 colours to your ribbon. So for example, there we go, I've got my ribbon like that. It might be easier if you guys want to use like a bit of string. Some natural string might look nice, or twine or something like that. And then this is the clever part, find where your knot is and bring the knot round into the centre of the hole. I have to give it a firm tug. And then look, the loop now stays the gold on both sides if you do it right, and you get the little loop. So that will make a nice hanging decoration on a tree or on a handle to something. So if I was going to hang it, I'll just hang it off the pair of scissors. So it looks quite nice just hung up like that.